Barbados wage rules are changing. A major change to the rules governing wages is moving through Parliament in Barbados. The Protection of Wages, Bill 2026 has passed the House of Assembly and is now before the Senate. It is not yet in force, but employers should understand what may be coming and begin reviewing their payroll practices now. One of the bill's central requirements is straightforward. Employers would need to establish a recurring pay period and a recurring payday. Employees would then have to be paid no later than that established payday on a normal working day. That means payday should not be uncertain, constantly changing, or dependent on when management gets around to processing payroll. The bill also introduces clearer controls around deductions from wages. In many situations, money should not be deducted from an employee's wages without the employee's written consent, unless another law requires the deduction. For certain employer-initiated deductions, the employee would also need written notice. That notice should explain why the deduction is being made, how much will be deducted, and how the employee can challenge or appeal the decision. The bill also limits certain deductions to no more than 1/3 of the employee's wages during a pay period. Another serious area involves money deducted for payment to another organization or person. Employers must not deduct money from an employee's wages and then fail to pass that money on. The proposed penalties for unlawful deductions, unpaid wages, and failure to pay over deducted money are significant. The bill also addresses final pay. When employment ends, all wages and other amounts due would need to be paid no later than the payday of the next pay period, as though the employment had continued. So what should employers do now? Review your recurring paydays, review every deduction currently being made, check that written authorizations are properly recorded, confirm that deducted funds are being paid over promptly, and make sure your process for final wages is clear and reliable. The bill is not yet in force, and employers should continue monitoring its progress, commencement date, and any regulations that follow. But waiting until the last minute may create unnecessary pressure. Strong payroll systems protect employees, strengthen trust, and help employers avoid preventable problems. I am Nira, and this is Employee Relations Advisor. We provide people management training and structured HR support for businesses that need clearer systems. For practical HR support, talk to us today. Visit employeerelationsadvisor.com, helping employers handle staff issues properly, covering Barbados and the Eastern Caribbean. Thank you.